All right, today we're going to learn how to paint this firenado, just taking down this whole landscape.
So who is the worst arsonist of all time?
All right, let's run through the colors.
Phthalo blue, Quin blue, phthalo green, primary yellow, Indian yellow, burnt umber, Quin red, pearly red, titanium white, Mars black.
All right, for this painting, we're going to do a firenado. So it's kind of on this forested landscape. There's a lot of fire on the ground still. It's getting pulled into this little mini tornado. There's going to be a lot of different gases and smoke and fire. So there's going to play a lot with the clouds on this side and darkness on this side. So we're going to have both of those at the same time. For this paint, we're going to kind of clarify this nice round S firenado. Going to fill in the smoke. It's pretty nice right as is, kind of color-wise. It's a little rougher on the edges, so we need to fill this part in here close. Make sure this is all filled in. No white spots. Again, with the ground, this has to be filled in. A little more patchwork of different colors. It's tone-wise, it's correct. It's going to be very dark. Same thing here. But we got to fill it in. There's got to be fire in here, so we got to add some dark spots and fire and stuff. From afar it looks fine, but then close up it looks pretty bad. So we'll see how we get rid of that. We're gonna add some fire here, it looks like, and then transition that. So we'll see where it goes.
So in 2004, this guy, Thomas Sweat, was captured for about 300 fires between 2003 to 2004, quite a lot. But he admitted also to doing fires, for the past 30 years. So he's done quite a few different fires started intentionally to cause damage or unfortunately, to people or property. So that's the largest arsonist of all time.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So I have this nice firenado, really brilliant clouds. I kind of got a break in the clouds, and you know, you get this huge mass swirling out of the firenado. The base is really nice. The distant fire is not so good. I tried reworking that over and over, but I'm not sure because in the painting it's just orange and just slightly red, so it's just very little difference. So I add a little bit of yellow in there to make it pop a little more, a little black to make some highlights here and there. That fire is not really working. I think I can do like a really far off fire fine and it reads well, but the close-up fire is not looking so good. But I was just like, just move on, go to the next painting. Overall, I think it's pretty good. I like the clouds. I probably should clean up probably around the firenado. It's not exactly like that. It's a little dirty, but I thought, you know, it's fine. Just end the painting, get over with. Overall, I like it. I think it's pretty good. Hopefully you guys give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.